Every year, my family and I celebrate Oktoberfest in our household. I make a very unique potato salad, leg quarters, and doing the kraut, all from items that are fresh and dehydrated from the harvest. What makes the sauce unique is you get that wonderful stone ground mustard, the tang of the vinegar, the bacon adds a smoky element, and of course the star of the show is my paprika that I make from smoked bell peppers of yellow and orange and Anaheim peppers. To top it off, I add fresh chives. There's my peppers getting ready to grind for the chicken seasoning. That is a unique combination that is very German. I will use that, sprinkle it over the chicken leg quarters, pat it down, make sure it sticks, and get it ready for the smoker, which I do for a few hours until I reach that point of 165 internally. For the kraut, I will drain it, grate Jonathan Mac apples to have a light sweetness over the bowl that everything else is in, which is red and white onion and minced garlic. The seasoning combination, which I try to be as authentic for a Bavarian style, which is German, I will warm it up in a mortar and pestle. This is the combination that I use. To combine all of the flavors, I put the kraut combination in a slow cooker, add a half a stick of butter in slices, cook on low for a few hours to go right on top of those brats.